In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and efficiently delete a message in Microsoft Teams. Whether you've sent something by mistake or just want to remove a message for clarity, knowing how to delete a message can help keep your team conversations clear and organized. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams and navigate over to the chat section. You can do this by opening a web browser and either logging in or launching the Teams app if you have it installed on your device. Once you're in the chat section, locate the conversation thread where you want to delete a message. It might be a chat with a coworker, a group, or even a project-specific chat room. Upon finding the message you wish to delete, you'll notice there are three small dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, right next to the message. This is the option menu for the message, and it provides various actions you can take. Go ahead and click on those three dots. When you click on the ellipsis, a menu will pop up. This menu contains several options, like editing the message, saving it, or marking it as unread. For now, our focus is on deleting the message, so you'll look for and select the option labeled Delete. This action will prepare the message for removal. After you select the Delete option, Teams will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is a final check to ensure you truly want to remove this message from the conversation, as once deleted, it's not retrievable. You'll see an option that says, Yes, delete. Go ahead and click on this option to confirm your decision. And just like that, the message will disappear from the chat. Keep in mind, this action is irreversible, so make sure you indeed want the message gone before confirming. Deleting messages can help keep sensitive information from being seen by unintended parties and also allows you to maintain a streamlined and tidy communication flow in your teams. That's it. We've just walked through the steps to successfully delete a message in Microsoft Teams. Follow these steps whenever you need to declutter your chats or remove any unintended messages. It can be particularly useful during busy projects or when working with a large team, ensuring that only the most up-to-date information is shared and discussed. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let us know in the comments if there are any other Microsoft Teams features you'd like us to cover. Happy chatting!